आप अगर अपने आप को एक ट्रू शिबा लवर्स बताते हो, then you should not be skipping this video or leave this video before you are finishing it till the very end. क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा critical time है when the entire Shiba army, the entire Shiba ecosystem needs each and every investor's active help. आप अगर reinvestment नहीं करना चाहते हो, fine, but I have many ways कि आप शिबा को everyday ज्यादा से ज्यादा टोकन बर्न करने के लिए हेल्प कर पाओ, ताकि हम लोग एक नया ऊंचाई तक पहुंच पाए फिर से. So in my last video guys, where I was talking about this symmetrical triangle and this breakout, and look at this. Can we have a big shout out for Shiba Army? Can we have a big shout out for BitBull price prediction? Just look at this. Last 24 hours में we have recovered 27.15% with a total volume of $32.949 trillion. So Shiba Inu is not going anywhere. Shiba Inu can't die. Same way, BitBull का prediction can't be wrong. So if you have seen my last video, back me up guys. I want 1000 like for this price prediction, and आज के वीडियो के एंड तक जो प्राइस prediction दूंगा वो भी सच होने वाला है. So wait till end of this video to know about all those details कि आने वाले 24 hours में क्या क्या टूटने वाला है. साथ ही साथ we need a massive volume support to break all these resistance which are coming in front of Shiba Inu. So before I go forward, like this video. If you're new to this channel, subscribe this channel to stay profitable, to stay updated every single day. So let's begin guys, let's roll. So let's take one step at a time. So after breaking this yesterday's symmetrical triangle, we are getting rejected by this previous support come recent resistance. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा strongest resistance level है ये, which is around 0.000050. So आज भी एक ट्रायंगल जैसा क्रिएट तो हुआ है, लेकिन कल के ट्रायंगल से आज के ट्रायंगल का जो डिफरेंस है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कल के ट्रायंगल का टच पॉइंट, अपवर्ड टच पॉइंट एंड डाउनवर्ड टच पॉइंट का जो रेशियो है वो 2:3 है. अपवर्ड टच पॉइंट 3, डाउनवर्ड टच पॉइंट 2. बट आज का जो ट्रायंगल है विच इज डाउनवर्ड टच पॉइंट ऑलरेडी 3 times बट अपवर्ड टच पॉइंट ओनली once. That's not the scene. That's not the case. The only case is कल के ये ब्रेकआउट के सामने कोई भी रेजिस्टेंस लेवल नहीं था, लेकिन आज वाला ब्रेकआउट के सामने हम लोगों का तगड़ा वाला एक रेजिस्टेंस लेवल है. जस्ट आई वांट यू टू चेक दिस आउट. लेट मी जूम आउट. Then you can probably realize कि ये 0.000050 वाला जो रेजिस्टेंस लेवल है वो कितना टफ होने वाला है. चेक दिस. 1, 2, 3 एंड फाइनली 4. 4 टच पॉइंट है ये सेम रेजिस्टेंस लेवल पे, जहां पे लास्ट 3 हफ्ते से यही सेम सपोर्ट लेवल शिबा इनु को हेल्प करते हुए आया था. तो अभी के लिए ये एक बहुत ही तगड़ा वाला रेजिस्टेंस लेवल बन चुका है. So, if we want to break this resistance level and if we want to make this resistance to a support, then we need a massive volume support. Massive volume. We need at least 60 to 90 trillion dollar का volume in 24 hours to break this resistance level. So, ये कैसे होने वाला है? Let's check this out. Either through investing or through burning. So, I have some sensational burning news which will cheer you up and which you guys can help Shiba Inu to break this recent resistance level to reach a new all-time high. So stay tuned guys, stay tuned till the end of this video to know about all those small details about Shiba Inu. So according to this recent chart analysis, we should be break all this thing and we should reach 0.000053 as my next price target. But I doubt कि ये next 24 hours में possible होगा because of this strong resistance line. But according to this candlestick alignment, till now Shiba Inu is doing bullish, but it will be damn hard for Shiba Inu to break this resistance. Either we get a massive volume support. If you guys are not into reinvesting, there is a second way in which you can help Shiba Inu to burn more coins to reach our next destination. So as I was talking, I have some sensational burning news, burning updates to share with all of you. So let's dig deeper and check this out. And it's time to get together. It's time to show that Shiba Army's power. So now the first update, how can we help Shiba Inu to burn more token? So this update from Stephen Cooper, if just 50,000 Shiba Army, close to 50,000 Shiba Army listen to our music for just 4 hours, we would be burning over 3 crore Shiba per day. So Shiba Army का जो volume है मुझे exactly पता नहीं, just let me check in Shiba's actual Twitter handle. So yes, here we can see 2 million Shiba followers. मतलब let's say 2 million of Shiba Army. So out of 2 million, if just 50,000 Shiba Army can listen to this music, this Stephen Cooper's music, you will be getting the link of that music from this Twitter handle. So if you can listen, anyone can listen this music for 4 hours, this will help to burn 3 crores of Shiba per day. This is a huge number, guys. So now the second biggest breaking news is from Now Payments Corner. तो आप लोगों को अगर याद है, day before yesterday, there was a video about McDonald's and Shiba Inu का collaboration. So in that video, I was mentioning about Now Payment कि you have to have our Now Payment account to pay your bills in Shiba Inu. So Now Payment का जो system है, Now Payment burns 3% of its profit coming from Shiba and lease transaction. The company said the first burn will take place at the end of November. At the end of November, matlab at the end of this Thanksgiving. So again, a new way to help Shiba to burn more token, which is if you can use this Now Payment, if you can start paymenting with Now Payment, that 3% of your payment value will be directly burned after this November. So that's a huge opportunity. That's a huge window of opportunity, correct? So from my last video, there was a comment जो कि मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था कि Shiba Inu will start making many more millionaires soon. So yeah, I agree on it कि Shiba Inu का जो potential है वो फिर से बहुत सारे investors को millionaires बना सकता है. But this should not be a one-way street कि Shiba Inu is making you millionaires, Shiba Inu is making you dash dash dash. What is your input besides that investing? And it should not be like you bought a ticket for a circus and you are just viewers. You are not actively supporting Shiba Inu. This should not be happen. So according to this recent chart analysis, we can break this 0.000050 का जो resistance level है, which we can actually break within next 24 hours. So for that, you need to support Shiba Inu. If it is not possible through reinvesting, help Shiba Inu to burn more token. I have given you 2 choices where you can use those choices to help Shiba Inu to burn more token in overnight Shiba Inu to burn more tokens. So you can choose whatever way you are comfortable with. Show your impact, show your love to Shiba Inu. Okay, it's not only just investing, it's how actively you are supporting Shiba Army, how actively you are supporting Shiba community to build few more millionaires in coming days. So that's it, guys. I hope I made my statement very clear to all of you. And now you guys also know कि आप लोग क्या-क्या कर सकते हो to help Shiba to reach its next goal. So now do your own part, help Shiba ecosystem, help yourself to make some more new profit. So share this video with your friends and family क्योंकि जितना लोगों के साथ share करोगे उतना ही awareness बढ़ेगा. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click on the bell icon if you don't want to miss any update from our side. So बहुत जल्दी मिलते हैं with the next update. Till then, take care. Dev signing off.